Þetta var ekki reglilegt yacht.
Já, þau ekki inn í kassanum. Ok, farðu lengst inni.
Já. Ekki vera svona nálægt að gera þetta.
Nei.
Þú ættir ekki að gera alveg samt að vera alveg smá nálægt að þið geta að gera það. Ég hata náttúrulega senda bara. Þetta er alveg þeirra.
Ekkert svona. Þetta er eitthvað.
Nei, þetta er ekkert.
Þau kusuðu mig.
Hann hlufti bara í því össu öll. Þau komum bara. Þetta er ekki fæna.
Hvað var þetta sem skoði?
De Jong. Rúdikar.
Hann hjá De Jong.
Manstu ekki að segja alltaf Rúdikar. Það er pass, ég er inni. Það er ekki fyrir að vera.
Bíddu að byrja.
Þú ekki svo að senda hann. Okay, hey guys, we're playing FIFA. FIFA.
It's dead right now.
It's really
dead.
Yeah, FIFA is dead. FIFA is getting dead.
Yeah.
Not that much because my brother is playing it every day, screaming about what guys he gets, man.
Yeah, man. When he gets
POV, my brother.
your brother like screams when Salah gets red card.
Yeah. He has a 99 Salah card.
In FIFA 2026, Lamine Yamal is 89 rated, and Ronaldo from 86 to 85, but Messi is 91.
That's his old card, like the
He has
gold card.
He has 2 to 86. He's much worse.
He's like his mom just gave him a haircut, man. But he's... Or his grandmother.
And in real football,
It's not my grandma.
and in real football, when Mbappe got the new hair,
Why is my guy?
the hair.
Oh my god. Can you move fast and say the
In real football, then Mbappe's new hair is just. It was offside because of the hair.
Yo, that's not good.
But he's been crazy this season. And Lamine Yamal.
Ronaldo's getting a little bit worse, man.
He can't do knuckleball. He got a knee injury in 2020.
Don't pass.
2014.
Yeah.
He did get a knee injury that he didn't know how to. He can't knuckleball. Yes.
What? Like my guy doesn't move the spots and I want to move. Like that's why I'm so proud now.
This guy is so trash.
We're winning 1-0. This good.
Yeah.
This is a Champions League final, so if we lose, we might have a little bit of an injury time to let
Then I will then be crazy.
I'm scared. I'm scared of them taking.
Guys,
that
we need to get the freaking Magnus.
Arnar
Yeah, but it's not Arnar.
anymore.
Yeah, he's gone. We killed him because we need to get him. Then click subscribe if you want. It means very much.
Yeah, really much worse. It means the world to us, and let's also win Chelsea. We have to win Chelsea. They're like idiots.
Not Copam.
You're not called Palmer.
Like Cucurella. He's like a Nutella man.
Yeah,
he's a Nutella man.
Nutella.
But he could die because himself, they kill him.
Yeah, because he has Nutella Nutella.
Like he is a failure.
Mhm.
Somebody spelade efter. Ja. Þetta þá Liverpool. Það voru ekki Liverpool.
Why were not Liverpool? It's our favorite team. And my Maggi has Manchester United.
That's
He's in 15th place now.
And Onana, it's 74 rated.
He's not even in United anymore. He did go out of it.
He is back United.
How was that?
Everybody,
Not-
look at
Did you
this.
not see it?
Yeah, it's not good.
That's an offside there. Talk to me, man. That's a big offside there. Talk to me.
They just jumping and looking.
Go, try to score. Shoot. No! What shooting was that?
That's dumb kid. That's a chihuahua.
That's Chihuahua. That's not Chihuahua. Oh my god, that idiot doesn't pass. No, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about them. No, like, see. What kind of, don't try to shoot from there.
Almost top corner.
Almost got
But
hurt.
he did save it.
Why this? Oh, thank you for free. Awesome. Okay. Go. Don't try to score. Bro! I hate power shot and it actually takes so long to do. In real life, I can do power shot in like 1 second. And they like, ew! Like that. Like, see how it's long? Like, boom! How's he still there, man? You don't let him go on the field. He's too ugly. Nah, you think you could score? Just pass the ball away from Morgan. That's the only thing we need now. It's not gone for them. Let's go. Pass. What was
I was trying to pass.
Let's go. I got it. Power. Yes! 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 Why did you skip? We wanted to get the content better, man. Why skip? Try to score. Now the score. Hit on the corner.
Alveg bara tala íslensku.
No, don't talk Iceland. We want them to get content. It hit his nuts. He has a really great nuts. Don't skip.
I didn't want to skip.
Bro, you really just turned on mine. What is that? No, skip that shit. Free waste time. No, don't tell me it's going on. We have to break his ankles, man.
Yeah, break his ankle.
Cucurella.
Kukalla.
Þú voru bara að stila
Am I seeing your guys. You just see my guys forever. We just have to let them not score now because we have a 3-1 lead. It's good, and it's really close for
We got 2. I forgot to tell you something.
If you are subscribed to Magnus Arna, not really Arna, then unsubscribe.
They're bonds.
They're getting more and more subscribers. We need them to get less and less subscribers.
Yeah.
Like the opposite of your.
And then freaking from Icelandic.
Yeah. One video we're gonna talk Icelandic, so you cannot really know what they're talking about, and it's not that good of an answer.
They're always
Someone of you
talking
guys-
them.
Yeah, I can talk because I'm really good at it. I'm done practicing. Not with Magga, but still. He's only one who talks, man. He doesn't let us talk in his videos, man.
Yeah.
Like only he just does what we have to say.
And then
Like not
in
saying
one video, did he let you be so ugly? Like,
That's the worst day of my life. I couldn't even smile like I wanted to. He'd be like, John Cena, give you power! I mean the rock. Yes, fool, don't touch it. Look, this spirit here.
guys,
Look, this spirit here.
guys.
You can see now it.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see now they're celebrating. We won.
We have not to get Lewandowski captain.
We have to do Lewandowski captain.
Let's do it.
We can't.
Why is the goalkeeper the captain? He almost did nothing.
In the game, we let them score on us. And let them tie the game. If they tie the game, we just have to let them rage quit, man. We were not using our whole power. We used our whole power for this game. Yes! We won the Champions League. No red cards. No red cards. That's really
That
good.
was just like a raffle game.
Yes, 3-1 for Barcelona. Barcelona's better. But still Liverpool will want it. Like, will be like more chance for it.
And like in videos, they say like to prank people to subscribe to like Messi or
Yeah, subscribe.
Classic.
Okay, we're gonna do another video of them playing the game, not me with him. Okay, so let's see you in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. See you later. And don't forget to unsubscribe to Weirdo Maka!
Yeah.
Bye bye!
Bye bye.
We can beat them!